Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 23. In the laboratory preparation of chlorine, the gas is passed through water before collection so as to A. Cool the chlorine gas, B. Enable the gas to be diluted, C. Increase the volume of chlorine gas, D. Remove hydrogen chloride gas, and E. Remove manganese 4 oxide. Now, in the preparation of chlorine, hydrochloric acid is actually oxidized using potassium tetraoxomanganate 7. So hydrochloric acid HCl, that's the acid, HCl acid is oxidized with potassium tetraoxomanganate 7. Potassium tetraoxomanganate 7, that is KMNO4. Now, when this is done, once this hydrochloric acid touches this potassium tetraoxomanganate 7, what happens? A small amount of hydrogen chloride will be evolved. Hydrogen chloride will be evolved together with chlorine gas. Now, as this gas is moved, they get to the water before collection. Now, the essence of this water before collection is so that this hydrogen chloride gas that is evolved, that is the HCl gas which is evolved, gets dissolved. It gets dissolved into the water. As it gets dissolved into the water, what happens? The chlorine gas becomes pure, and so then it is collected. But initially, this chlorine gas was impure because it has parts of hydrogen chloride, because hydrogen chloride gas and the chlorine gas were actually evolved from this reaction. But as this reaction passes through water, it then this water then removes, because hydrogen chloride gas is soluble in water, so it dissolves in water, thereby releasing the pure chlorine gas, and this pure chlorine gas is then collected. So the essence of this water is to remove hydrogen chloride gas, which is option D. And this is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.